my name's Michelle Wright. I've been seeing Denicia for about 5 or 6 years now. My hair before I started seeing her was always short. I cut my hair since after high school. I haven't had my hair long since then. I tried to grow my hair out after that, but it never grew out right. So I always kept my hair short because it looked thicker and looked better and thicker. And when I tried to grow it out, it just grew uneven. It wasn't thick, it thinned out. And I just got tired and fed up with it. I had to find somebody that could help me have healthy hair and to grow my hair, because I just felt like my hair was never gonna grow ever again. So I met Denicia and I started doing the DSWs, and my hair started to grow and got thicker. And I really like the DSWs because they're easy to do. I feel like they last longer. The DSWs were just natural. The hair textures were great. So I just really love that. And it's easy to do, easy to manage. It's just like taking care of, the hair just looks natural. It's like my own hair, and that's what I like about it. I've had crochet braids, I've had braids, but every time I get braids, my hair breaks. So the DSWs I feel, last longer. They're easy to manage. I like the hair and the texture of the hair. And ever since I've been coming to her, my hair has been doing amazing, and I love it. And it's long again, like it was when I was in high school, and I never thought I would have long hair ever again. So I'm very happy and very pleased, and she does an awesome, amazing job. I love it.